Most finance channels will not tell you this because their sponsors would drop them. But here at Finance AI Pro, we're all about transparency. Today, we're diving into an experiment that could change the way you approach personal finance advice. Are you ready to see which AI tool truly stands out in 2026? Welcome to Finance AI Pro. My name is, and today we're conducting a head-to-head test between two of the most talked about AI tools in the finance world, Claude Opus 4.7 and ChatGPT. This isn't just any comparison. It's a rigorous test designed to uncover which tool offers the best personal finance advice. Let's lay down the rules. First, we'll use real-world scenarios that anyone might face in their financial journey. We'll ask each tool the same questions and compare their responses based on accuracy, speed, and practicality. Success will be measured by how well each tool provides actionable advice that aligns with current financial trends and expert recommendations. And yes, we'll be using the Best Personal Finance App 2025 as a benchmark for our evaluation. Now, let's get into the day-by-day testing. Our first scenario involves budgeting. How does each tool suggest managing monthly expenses effectively? Let's see what they come up with. Claude Opus 4.7 responds with a detailed breakdown, suggesting specific categories to track and offering tips on cutting unnecessary expenses. It even recommends some of the best personal finance books for deeper insights. On the other hand, ChatGPT provides a more generalized response, lacking the specificity we saw with Claude. Moving on to our second test, investing tips for beginners. We'll ask each tool for advice on getting started in stock market. This is crucial information for anyone looking to build wealth over time. Claude Opus 4.7 delivers a comprehensive guide covering everything from understanding basic financial concepts to choosing the right stocks. It even mentions some of the best stocks like Nvidia and Microsoft. ChatGPT, while informative, doesn't quite match up in terms of depth and detail. Next up, we're testing passive income strategies. Can these AI tools provide viable options for generating extra cash flow? Let's find out. Claude Opus 4.7 suggests a mix of rental properties, dividend stocks, and crypto investments, providing specific examples and potential returns. ChatGPT offers similar suggestions, but lacks the concrete examples and detailed analysis. Here's where it gets interesting. As we continue our tests, something unexpected happens. While both tools perform well in most areas, there's one scenario where ChatGPT surprisingly outshines Claude Opus 4.7. When asked about tax optimization tips, ChatGPT provides a more nuanced and detailed response, taking into account recent changes in tax laws and offering creative solutions. Now, let's look at the final results. After analyzing all the data, it's clear that Claude Opus 4.7 excels in providing detailed and actionable advice across most financial scenarios. However, ChatGPT proves to be a strong contender, especially in specialized areas like tax optimization. So what's the honest verdict? If you're looking for a versatile tool that covers a wide range of personal finance needs, Claude Opus 4.7 is definitely worth it. It offers the depth and specificity that many users seek. However, if you have specific needs like tax planning, ChatGPT might be the better choice. If you're enjoying this, hit subscribe. We post stories like this every day, and you don't want to miss the next one. Tomorrow, the sisters' revenge 3 months later. Do not miss it.